Hello! In this video I'm going to show how to use the anti-theft system Python. As a first step, we'll show you where I keep it. I keep the mating part here, not to be seen and brushed against. Install it on a steering wheel like this. The lock itself is in the case in my pocket. By the way, I recommend buying the device with the case. It is very handy, and what is more important, the device doesn't rattle during driving. Well, take it out and install. That's it, ready! Our car is protected. And above all, as you can see, it is impossible not to notice such anti-theft system. That's the point. Now let's remove the device. We need a key for this. Take the key and remove the device. Put the blocker away into the case. Carefully remove the mating part and place it back. As you can see, it is very easy and convenient to use the device. And what is more important, your car is always under reliable protection. That is all for today. Bye-bye, everybody.